Hello. I've had a number of people request that instead of using an avatar, I come on and use my voice. So this is a real person. And we're up on the Polish Up website. And I'm sure most of you know, we're probably sick and tired of these adverts, but we have to persevere and keep on keeping on, because I'm sure there's a few people out there who don't have one of these great machines in their workshop. We've got a beautiful range. These and they're the Shumba range. We've called it Shumba because Shumba actually means lion in Shona, which is an African language. So lion comes from Africa. Shumba. Um, I suppose if you listen to the Lion King, one of the lions are called Shumba. Yeah. So the 1500 watt, 750 watt, 550 watt, and we've got our awesome straight barrel grinder or polisher. This comes with an adapter, and you can put a number of polishing wheels onto that. We've also got kits for these that use airflow wheels, and so there's an adapter and flanges that come with those. Pipe polishers and the like. It's a very easy website to navigate, and by all accounts, if you guys get the chance, we'd really appreciate the fact that if you could have a look and see, because there's a range of compounds, there's a range of adapters depending on what machine you've got. If you want to adapt a machine, we've also got a variety of polishing wheels, so the compounds that can go with the polishing wheels, and these would include polishing wheels with extremely high finish, so for like jewelry and so on, all the way through to cutting wheels. So these used in conjunction with compounds, so you get a cutting compound with a firm wheel that removes abrasive marks, and you'll be well on your way to creating an extremely high finish on your metal surface. Saying that, you can also polish plastic and a wide range of other surfaces. Very interesting. So if you're into restoring your bike, your truck, or your car, we've definitely got the kits to do that. Just not used to speaking on through a microphone, so bear with me. You may be surprised to see that we have an extensive range of ute and truck accessories. This is some hardware for hinges and locks, electric locks as well, some anchors and tires. Yep, and you'll see there's our new products and specials, and ones on sale. We've got free shipping on all our bench polisher kits at the moment, and also our straight polisher kits. So be sure to get in there and have a look. You'll be very happy. It's honestly, these, for example, these 1500 watt machines, they weigh just under 25 kgs. So it costs us an arm and a leg to get them to you. And when you get them, I can assure you it's worth it. All made to Australian standards, so they tick all those boxes, and they come with warranties and the like. And also, we're on the end of the phone, so if you wanted advice whilst polishing or on tips on what to do, obviously give us a call on 1-800-780-666. We would be happy to answer any questions. So that's it, polishup.com.au. When you get the chance, have a look. You'll be pleasantly surprised, I'm sure. Sign up for our emails. We'll just bombard you maybe once every 2 weeks with the odd email to tell you about some new products and the specials we've got going. And that's Rex from PolishUp. Speak to you soon. Cheers.